Hello everyone. This video presentation will be covering Learning Unit 7 regarding marine sediments and beach and shoreline processes. A field trip was held at Buntal Beach on the 25th of November 2018. This particular date was selected because the beach was experiencing spring tide, full moon, and the particular hours of 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. was selected because the beach was experiencing low tides at 1.5 meters to 0.8 meters. The coastal zone is the region where interactions between the sea and land processes occurs. This is the shore. This area covers from before the revetment to the lowest low tide. This is the coast. This area covers from after the revetment, coastline, to as far as where ocean-related features can be found. This is the shoreline. This is the edge of the water, and it migrates with the tides. The intertidal zone is the area at which we walk. The characteristics of the intertidal zone include the foreshore being able to reach about 3 kilometers during the lowest spring tide. Generally, hard stabilization structures, such as groins, are built at the right angle to the shore to prevent the movement of sand down the coast and maintain the beach. While other hard stabilization structures, such as breakwaters and seawalls, are built parallel to the beach to protect the coast from the force of waves. Besides, hard stabilization is a man-made protective structure to control erosion. So, hard stabilization that was built there were seawalls with rocks together with it. The purpose of the seawall is to prevent erosion from tides, waves, and tsunami. Due to the river output, they built a revetment to protect the coastline nearby the river mouth from erosion. There were several types of sediments that could be found at the Buntal beach, making it a mixture of sediments. However, since the focus was more towards the coastal region, the litiginous sediments was abundantly available. This type of sediments is made from rocks eroded by weathering agent. The texture of this sediment is very fine and is usually clay or silt-like. They are sorted out by winds, and the products of these sediments usually come from the closest river. Kampong Buntal has its own unique sand movements. Since Kampong Buntal is among one of the places that experiences strong winds, sand movements is one of the significant effects due to this wind. There are formation of beach ripples due to the movement of sand by wave action. A beach ripple usually happens due to the movement of sand when the action of wave creates a ripple that is parallel to the shoreline. Uniform and consistent wave ripples can be observed when nearing the coast. However, when moving further away from the coast, it is observed that mixed patterns occur. Buntal Beach is rich in biomarine resources. These resources are what brings about economic impact and income for the local villagers. Some marine resources that are available in Kampong Buntal include shellfish, which extends to crustaceans and bivalves, and also fresh fishes. For example, the ambal, razor clam, the tokoyong, sea snail, and kepa, hard clam, can be found at the Buntal beach. These different types of marine resources in Kampong Buntal requires different methods of obtaining or capturing it. For example, this video shows the methods of capturing the razor clam.
Itu dia ada respon, ada
Like magic.
Boleh makan?
boleh. Jangan. Tidak boleh, maubus.
It is a known fact that human activities can cause severe impacts towards the environment. There are possibilities that within a few years, the Buntal beach might also be affected. In fact, the impact of human activities to the coastal area of Kampung Buntal itself includes the disturbance and removal of benthic organisms, damage to spawning areas for fish, and continuous increased erosion. Marine litter is also found in large quantities on the coastal seabed, floating in the water column, and on the shore. It is believed that it is derived from land based activities such as recreation and tourism, and also from marine sources. About 80% of the marine litter comes from materials such as plastic, which is hardly degradable and provokes smothering. In conclusion, the Buntal beach is a pristine and clean beach, probably due to regular maintenance by the villagers as the Buntal Esplanade is known as a tourist attraction. However, like every other beach that has been turned into a tourist attraction, it is bound to be vulnerable by human activities and also development. Therefore, we should work hand in hand in understanding our beaches and how to preserve and conserve them before we lose them. Always remember that prevention is always better than cure. That's all from us. Thank you.